Hello from Taj Medics. I've got a Nissan Micra here on a 2014 plate. It's a 64, basically 2014, 2015. Just doing the registration lamp. As you can see, the position lamps are working, but the number plate isn't. Now, if you did find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, there's a special thanks button, and if you did want the bulb as well, there'll be a link for it in description. And the tool you need is only one flat screw driver. So all you do is slot the screwdriver through here, push it that way, and then pull the whole thing out. So I'm just gonna try that now. Here we go. So you can see that way, and then pull the whole thing down. So this is it. And then you twist that to your left. That's the bulb in there as well. So remember this rubber seal, and make sure it's intact. Once you put a new bulb in, slot it through, twist it to your left, and then this bit here goes on the inside first, right across there, and then you push it in. So like this, and then push it upwards. So I'm going to change the bulb as I'm on my own. So I'm going to pause the video for a second. Alright, that's the bulb I've replaced. So what I'm going to now do is slot it in, so it goes in through that gap there, and then that's it. Make sure it's in there. We're just going to check the lights. Here we go, I've just turned the lights on, so that's working now as well. So you've got the position lamp there. Okay, these are the LED bulbs, so you cannot replace them. You've got to replace the whole cluster if the bulb ever goes. The only thing that you can replace, the replaceable item that are available and is cheap, is the bulbs itself, which is the direction indicator, the reverse, and the stop lamp. Possibly this is the stop lamp, I don't know, I need to press the brakes. But yeah, if there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the thanks button. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.